The Rajasthan High Court on Friday ordered status quo to be maintained in the disqualification case against Sachin Pilot and 18 other rebel MLAs pending before the Speaker of the State Assembly.
माननीय न्यायालय ने इसके ऊपर स्टेटस क्वो का आदेश दे दिया है आज।
तो सर ये रिलीफ है सचिन पायलट का?
रिलीफ ही है सर एक तरह से, बट इसके ऊपर ज्यादा अभी कुछ नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के अधीन में सब जुडिस है मैटर और उन्होंने अपने अधीन के अंदर इसको रखा हुआ है, तो जो भी सर्वोच्च न्यायालय इसमें आदेश करेगा वो उसको भी देखा जाएगा।
Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has said that the governor is not giving directions to call the assembly session due to political pressure.
अपने माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय को कल पत्र भेज के रिक्वेस्ट करी कि हम चाहते हैं कि असेंबली के सेशन बुलाएं और उसके अंदर डिस्कशन करें सारी पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन को भी, कोरोना को भी और लॉकडाउन के बाद में जो स्थिति बनी है आर्थिक रूप से उसको भी। हमें उम्मीद थी कि रात को ही वो आदेश जारी कर देंगे असेंबली बुलाने के। रात भर इंतजार किया पर अभी तक कोई जवाब नहीं आया उनका। ये हमारे समझ के परे है। सिंपल प्रोसेस जो अपनाया जाता है और गवर्नर साहब को आदेश देना ही पड़ता है, उसको रोकने कोई कारण नहीं है। हमारा मानना है कि ऊपर से दबाव के कारण से मजबूरी में वो अभी असेंबली बुलाने के लिए निर्देश नहीं दे रहे हैं।
On the case pertaining to Kulbhushan Jadhav, the Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson has said that Pakistan blocked all avenues for effective remedy available to India.
To the Pak government filing a plea in the Islamabad High Court seeking the appointment of a lawyer for Kulbhushan Jadhav.
Pakistan has also created confusion in terms of the last date of filing. They earlier told us that it would be the 19th of July. Thereafter they said that it is the 20th of July. There have also been considerable inadequacies and shortcomings in the ordinance which has been promulgated by them. It in no way does it fulfill or does it give complete weight to the judgment of the ICJ. There has also been a considerable delay in informing India. They took about 2 weeks to inform us about this ordinance, and only when we asked did they provide us a copy of the ordinance. So what appears is that Pakistan's actions with regard to the ordinance, the whole exercise of not providing documents as requested by us, of not providing unhindered, unimpeded and unconditional consular access, as well as some of the reported unilateral action of recently approaching the High Court, all of it again exposes the complete farcical nature of Pakistan's approach.
Today at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, President Ramnath Kovind flagged off Red Cross relief material for people affected by floods and COVID-19 in both Assam and in Bihar. Heavy rains triggered floods and landslides which killed at least 132 people and displaced millions in Nepal. As many as 128 people were injured and 53 were reported missing due to heavy rainfall.